Ever find yourself scrolling endlessly, watching just one more video, or cleaning your desk instead of doing that one task you should be doing? You're not lazy, your brain's just tricking you. But what if there was a simple, science-backed method to outsmart procrastination, using nothing more than a timer? Welcome to the Pomodoro Technique, a tiny change that can completely shift how you work. Let's break it down. First, here's the uncomfortable truth. We don't procrastinate because we're disorganized. We do it because our brains hate discomfort. That email boring, that assignment overwhelming, that workout tiring. So we avoid it in the name of I'll do it later. But avoidance is addictive. Every time we procrastinate, we get a hit of dopamine, that feel-good chemical, by doing something easier. It's instant relief and long-term stress. To break this cycle, you don't need more motivation. You need momentum. Invented by Francesco Cirillo in the 1980s, the Pomodoro Technique is brilliantly simple. 1. Choose one task. 2. Set a timer for 25 minutes. 3. Work only on that task, no distractions. 4. When the timer rings, take a 5-minute break. 5. After 4 rounds, take a longer break, 15 to 30 minutes. Here's why it's effective, according to neuroscience. 1. Reduces friction. 25 minutes feels doable. Your brain doesn't resist small sprints. 2. Builds urgency. The ticking timer creates a gentle pressure, like a mini deadline. 3. Increases focus. Your brain enters a flow state faster, because it knows the task is time-limited. 4. Uses reward loops. After each sprint, you get a break, a reward that reinforces progress. In short, it hijacks your brain's reward system to work for you instead of against you. Let's say you're studying for an exam or editing a video. Instead of saying, I'll work on this for 3 hours, you say, I'll just do 1 Pomodoro. And suddenly, the mountain becomes a step. You start the timer, shut off your phone notifications, and go. No multitasking, no overthinking. Just 25 minutes of focus. Even if you don't feel like it, you often find yourself continuing after the timer rings, because once momentum begins, motivation follows. Use apps like Focus Keeper or Tomato Timer. Combine small tasks and handle them in a single Pomodoro session. Track how many Pomodoros each task takes so you can plan better. If 25 minutes feels too long, start with 15 and build up gradually. The key isn't perfection, it's progress. So next time you feel stuck, don't wait for motivation. Just set a timer and begin, 1 Pomodoro at a time. You'll beat procrastination and get more done in less time. Try it today and let your future self thank you. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more brain-backed productivity tips.